Hey guys, how you going? So excited. I just got my LRP order for this month, my rewards order, and I got the new pilot diffuser, which is really exciting, but I also got some of the Mother's Day stuff. So I thought I would show you some of the Mother's Day stuff. And then if you watch the video after this, I'll do a separate one unboxing the pilot diffuser. So let's have a look. I didn't go crazy, and some of the stuff I've already got. So I just thought I'd get the ones that I don't have. Try to be self-controlled here. Although I did get 2 of everything that I got. So I got the Citrus Bloom and Tinted Lip Gloss, which is really lovely. So I love the citrus. Oh, and I forgot to say, I love that they come in these really cute, beautiful organza bags, which is really lovely. So each of the packs that come together come in a little organza bag, which is lovely because it's marketed as the Mother's Day stuff. So then it's like, you know, it's ready to go as a gift bag. So I love the Citrus Bloom. This one, I remember when we first moved into the current house that we are in, we had, so we sold our house, my mother-in-law sold her house, and we kind of all went in together. So we moved in to the same house together. So I was basically unpacking 2 houses worth of stuff on my own, and it only took me a week, but I remember I had Citrus Bloom. It was going in the kitchen, and I was like, bang, 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 get all the stuff done. And I was doing it with like, okay, this is good. I can do it like just plot along, next box, okay, open it up, put this there, put that there, and it was just amazing. So this is one of my go-tos. Adaptiv is my new go-to, but this is one of my go-tos for overwhelm. It's real, the oils in it are beautiful for just calming and uplifting and kind of getting your emotions in check. So you're not like, oh my goodness, I can't do this, and what if, and then my brain's going a million miles an hour. No, this is really good, like centers you, gets you back to center. With some really lovely floral and citrus oils together. So we've got wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, magnolia, and Roman chamomile. And I would attribute the magnolia to getting my thoughts all in order and dealing a lot with that overwhelm. And then you've got like your lavender and Roman chamomile for calming, and then your citrus, so your grapefruit and orange that are in there for uplifting. That is a beautiful combo. I love it. And that also comes with the tinted lip gloss. So this is infused with peppermint essential oil. Let me have a look. So it is that shade. And at the moment they only come in one shade, so I will open it, and I will open it later. I will open it later and not embarrass myself on a video. And I will let you know how that goes. But from what I've heard, it is amazing, and in Australia it's sold out very, very quickly in the individual. So I think you can still get it in the pack with the Citrus Bloom and lip gloss together. I think that's still available. But in the first couple of days, the tinted lip gloss on its own sold out very, very quickly. When it was released in the US, so I got some last year in the US from the Christmas catalog. Again, it sold out so quickly within the first day, I reckon. So it is very popular. A lot of people love that one, and it is just really nice with the peppermint. All right, so another gift pack. So I got the Adaptiv Pack, and I love this. I love Adaptiv. This is, like I said, this is my go-to for overwhelm, but also for sensory overload. So I don't know if you or maybe some of your kids have issues with too much light, too much noise, the person next to them is chewing too much, the clothes are too itchy, all of that type of thing, all that sensory input, and your brain's got to process all of that, and there's too much and you just can't cope. I sometimes get that when I am out of energy. Yesterday I went to the zoo, and the aquarium, it was just all indoors, it was dark, the level of the the floor was all changing and it was different, and then there were kids and there was screaming and there was like so much excitement, which is yay, but little kids with high-pitched voices or scream, no, couldn't deal with it. And then going outside and then changing the environments, that just really got to me as well. And it just got to a point where I just wasn't really coping. Adaptiv was my best friend. Just, it was so good. So I just roll this a couple of times down my neck or on my wrists like a perfume, and then rub the excess onto the back of my neck, and that is really helpful for me. So the other thing it comes with is the bath oil, which is really lovely. So it's 118 ml, but you only need like a tiny little bit. So it's not like one use. This is not one use. So just like with everything in doTERRA, less is more. So just maybe try a capful. And then go to 2 capfuls if you want a little bit extra. But there are other oils in this which are really great for calming and really nourishing to the skin as well. So it's stuff like avocado oil, there's sesame oil, sunflower oil, there's shea butter, shea butter esters. I was going to say extract. It's not. It's shea butter ethyl esters. There's jojoba oil in there. And then, of course, you have all the lovely Adaptiv essential oils that are in the Adaptiv blend that are in there. So, again, very calming, very de-stressing. Great for the end of the week. Great for the end of the day. Great for just end of Monday or end of any day, really. So that's a beautiful one. The other thing it comes with is the Adaptiv spray. I think it's the linen mist. So you can spray this on your pillow, spray this on your bed, probably about half an hour before you go to sleep. This is a really great calming one. So again, this is not just this oil, but in a spray just mixed with water. It is mixed. It is a bit like the On Guard hand sanitizer. So the On Guard hand sanitizer, they've come up with a special formulation so that the essential oil can be mixed through the whole entire liquid. It's not just the On Guard whacked in water and then you just spray it. So there's a bit more R&D that goes into it. And this is, again, beautiful, beautiful. And if you have kids like me who are a little bit crazy, particularly in the holidays, and they don't like you rolling stuff on, this is where spray I find is really, really helpful. You just out, devil, out. That's really helpful. So yes, multi-uses for this one. And again, it comes in a beautiful organza bag. And I forgot to mention, each one of these bags come with a safety information pamphlet, which I think is great, particularly if you're giving these away as gifts, as they are meant for. I think this really just helps first-time users just to be a bit more confident in how to use it and what they're using, and safety. Now, the third pack I got is the Lemon Myrtle gift pack. And again, lovely organza bag. It comes with a 5 ml Lemon Myrtle, which I love. I've been using this in my tea lately. And sleep, yes. So one of the ladies on our team at Webvention last year noticed that it was mentioned that Lemon Myrtle is really helpful for sleeping and relaxing. So I've been adding that in my diffuser at night, which will go really well with the pilot, particularly if you're traveling. So really calming, really relaxing, and really great for the nerves as well. And the other thing that it comes in is a hand lotion, and it's really pretty. I likes it. So this is Lemon Myrtle and Tangerine together. So let's try. I have opened this because I did my Auslan unboxing just before this. So my Defi's got the first view of this, so it has been opened. And I must say, I do love it. It is true to Lemon Myrtle. It smells like Lemon Myrtle. I'm not smelling a lot of tangerine in there, which I don't mind because I love the Lemon Myrtle more. And I do love, and I'll show you if I can squeeze it out on my hand. Here we go. So it is quite lovely. It is It's thick, but it's not too thick, and it's not too thin either. So it's not really watery. It rubs in really nicely, and you get like a nice smooth finish afterwards. So my skin feels really light, moisturized, fresh, and really smooth. And you don't get that really horrible chemical after smell in it too, which is really lovely. So yes, I love, 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 love that. So this is going in my handbag, and this is going to be my Mother's Day present for me. All right, if you got any of the Mother's Day stuff, I would love to hear your thoughts and your opinions about it, what you love, and what you wish you got more of. All right, thanks guys. Bye.